Prepare yourself due to the fact that the battle between the second ripple is going to begin once more, and there are significant dates that are approaching. First reports from the SAC were received on March 22nd, and Ripple's counter followed on April 22nd of the same month. On the next day, May 6th, the SEC retaliates. Everything is focused on this court case, and the recent dip in the price of XRP makes the situation even more intriguing. Please remember to follow, like, and share this post. Let's get started. The fact that SWIP trades $5 trillion every single day is the first thing we will discuss. When it comes to the world of banking, there is not a great deal of XRP available. As a result, there was a great deal of commotion between the prices of 75 cents and 65 cents, just as there was between 64 cents and 54 cents a week previously. There was no change. The price of XRP continued to rise across all time frames, and the next step will be to conduct analysis. The fact that so many old finance folks believe they wouldn't accept the Bitcoin exchange-traded fund is, of course, hilarious. They simply do not understand how Wall Street operates. In May, not only will the Ethereum exchange-traded fund be approved, but within the next 3 years, each of the 20 cryptocurrencies that are currently the most popular will be converted into exchange-traded funds. In addition, I am becoming increasingly confident that the exchange-traded fund ETF for XRP will be released in the near future. A significant year is going to be 2024, as Brett Gallagher predicted. Therefore, an exchange-traded fund ETF for XRP will be available between the years 2024 and 2025. In the year 2025, there will also be a repo initial public offering IPO outside of the United States. Now that the low claim has been resolved, we are now able to observe the outcomes of the additional work that has been done on XRP. The XRP ETP is also going to be released in the near future, which means that the older women still have some life left in them. Next to the Uphold Weights In, there will soon be an exchange-traded fund ETF for XRP. It was also said by Brett Gallagher that the LFG 2024 would be a significant event, and we trust him. In addition, I have noticed that this list contains significant dates for the Ripple against SAC match that will take place in 2024. The Securities and Exchange Commission and Ripple have been engaged in a protracted legal dispute for quite some time, and it is about time that they resume their trial. Individuals that make use of XRP will undoubtedly be keeping a close eye on this particular matter. The lawsuit that has been a concern for a while is something that they are hoping will eventually be able to disappear. To phrase it another way, the second Ripple is prepared to engage in another conflict. This information was provided by James Fillon, who once worked as a federal prosecutor, in a post on Twitter. Fillon stated that the opening brief for the SAC is due on March 22nd, and that the brief for Ripple must be filed by April 22nd. In the event that this is completed, the next step will be the SAC's reply brief, and the deadline for this is the 6th of May. During the remedies briefing, Fillon stated that these periods are included in the revised plan that has been developed. Previously, the starting brief for the SAC was required to be submitted by the 13th of March. However, the Commission requested an additional week from Judge Annalisa Torres, stating that they had a valid justification for requesting this extension. Once it was done, Judge Torres gave his approval to the proposal. In addition, the SAC requested that the deadline for Ripple to submit its opposition brief be moved from April 12th to April 22nd. This was done in order to prevent treatment that was unfair. This would provide the defendant with a sufficient amount of time to formally respond to the brief submitted by the Commission. The regulatory body had requested that the cryptocurrency company provide specific documents during the discovery stage. S gave his approval to the proposal. In addition, the SAC requested that the deadline for Ripple to submit its opposition brief be moved from April 12th to April 22nd. This was done in order to prevent triage, which is the step that is followed by the remedies briefing stage. After receiving a complaint, these documents, which comprise sales deals made by institutions, were created. This is the primary topic that will be covered in the opening brief of the Securities and Exchange Commission SEC, and the Commission will also make a number of requests concerning the consequences that should be imposed on Ripple for violating securities laws. A previous statement made by Judge Torres indicated that an institutional sale made by a cryptocurrency corporation was considered an investment contract. Do you have any thoughts on how the remedies briefing will proceed? In addition to the penalties, the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) is likely to request an order that will prevent Ripple from engaging in institutional transactions that violate securities regulations. On the other hand, Ripple will almost definitely fight with the Commission on the amount of the fine that it is required to pay. There is also the possibility that Ripple will assert that trades are not accessible to the general public due to the presence of classified assets. A lawyer named John Deaton, who is in favor of XRP, had previously stated that a remedies briefing would not be as straightforward as it seems because both parties might still be required to provide more documents. Additionally, Deaton stated that he does not believe a decision will be made until at least the latter part of the summer. In addition, once the verdict has been rendered, there is a possibility that either one of the parties or both of them will submit an appeal. What comes next for this one? A massive crash of XRP is on the horizon. In recent times, buyers and dealers have been paying attention to the dramatic decline in the price of XRP after it occurred. People have been wondering what the next step would be for XRP because it has had a downturn after having been making significant increases for a period of time. According to the findings of the technical analysis of the chart of XRP, there has been a significant amount of selling of the asset. XRP has been forced to test the critical support levels that could define the short-term future of the asset as a result of this sharp loss, which occurred in the same way that the price dropped quickly. At the moment, a significant local support level for XRP can be found somewhere around $0.58, which is actually the same price as the 100-day moving average. Historically, this moving average has served as a reliable level of support. Therefore, if the price bounces off of it, it may indicate that the price is about to either recover or settle down. Therefore, if a structure continues to exist, the XRP's price might be able to maintain its stability and possibly make a comeback if the strategy is successful at higher prices, particularly around $0.74, where XRP struggled to maintain its upward momentum. Resistance levels have emerged. On the other side, these levels have established themselves. It would be necessary for XRP to overcome this support level in order to initiate a bullish trend once more. This level represents a significant obstacle. The market reacted strongly and may have hit its peak in selling pressure when the volume signal moves up during the sell-off. This indicates that the market is experiencing a significant reaction. It's possible that this indicates that the market is getting rid of weak hands and is coming closer and closer to being full. Additionally, the relative strength index RSI has moved further into oversold territory, which typically indicates that the asset has been sold at an excessively low price and may indicate a potential reversal if the market sentiment shifts. The relative strength index RSI is a momentum index that measures how quickly and considerably prices fluctuate. The current positioning of it may indicate that there is an excessive amount of momentum going in the direction of sales. Problems that Ripple is having in the market. Recent gains are in jeopardy as a result of a decrease in the price of XRP. It appears like Ripple's XRP cryptocurrency is beginning to give in to the general downward trend in the cryptocurrency market. This is occurring as Bitcoin and other major digital assets continue to experience a decline. As a result of the potential for a significant breach of support to wipe out the gains earned over the course of the past several months, investors are getting ready. In spite of the fact that the global cryptocurrency market has been improving over the past few days, the value of XRP has been decreasing. XRP is experiencing difficulties in the market at the moment. As a result of the recent market downturn, almost 80% of the margin gains that XRP had was lost, and the cryptocurrency is currently trading at $0.61. Long positions have lost more than $4,470,000 in a single day as a result of the downturn, which has been particularly detrimental to investors as well as futures traders. Investors may become less confident as a result of this dip, which may make it more difficult for prices to recover again. Additionally, technical indicators, most likely a relative strengths index and moving average convergence, may cause prices to increase more slowly. Negative tendencies are in the horizon. Whale behavior and the presence of technical signs, the price of XRP